This one already grew on its own, and I'm not sure how well it's going to do this year. Here I have baby eggplant seeds, the pink variety. So I'm just going to take some in my hand. This is how they look like. And I'm going to sprinkle few in each pot. Cover the seeds with about an inch of soil. Water them lightly. And this year I decided to invest in some of the rectangle pots. They are really good for herbs and some, like a small plants to grow in. I also prefer to add cow manure always when I plant seeds. In one pot I'm going to plant sweet basil, and this is another variety of basil. I use peppers in this box here, so keep the distance and then cover with soil again. I'm just going to go ahead and throw all the loose seeds as well, just in case whichever sprouts. Water. I then keep watering the plants every day or when the soil looks dry. I highly recommend to use shower method and not the direct force water for the newly planted seeds, or just use watering can with spout, just like the one I have been using in this video. The amazing thing is that by the time I am ready to post this video, the seeds that I planted, some of them have already grown. So let me show you, like some of the seeds, how they have started sprouting really well. Some of the herbs, plants, pots, I like to keep them in my porch here because the summer could be really hot here in Florida. So I prefer to keep them in the porch. Look at this, 2 mints have grown only so far, and there are some even tiny I can see them. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's the mint that I just showed earlier, in this video. I planted just last week, and look at this basil. Basil grows really fast. I just love it. I have planted more to work in this box. This is the mint again from the last year, and I have some lemongrass in my porch as well, and this one has both lemongrass and the mint. I use lemongrass and mint extensively right in the morning. I start actually using them from morning in my chai, masala chai. And let me show you the eggplants. If you remember, in all these white pots I planted the eggplants. Look at them, doing really well. So happy. Hope they start giving the fruits even. I don't see much happening here in the chili. Just one plant here. I see just a tiny bit in this one. And chili usually actually takes a good amount of time to sprout anyway. Even the eggplants, but I'm surprised that eggplants started sprouting already. During winter season, I hardly grow anything. The only thing I love to grow is fenugreek leaves, methi. Some of the leafy vegetables grow really well during winter time. So I prefer to grow a lot of fenugreek leaves, methi known as, throughout the winter and then freeze for the whole year. But in spring and summer, I do a lot of gardening. I grow lots of vegetables, herbs, and many other, random stuff that I love to try out. Like this year, I have also tried even avocado. It's just amazing, like how you just throw a few seeds here and there, and they grow really well. And when they start giving out fruits, it's kind of a such an amazing feeling that like even the tiny seeds can do that much of work. It's kind of surprising. I hope you enjoyed. It's just amazing, like how you just throw a few seeds here and there, and they grow really well. And when they start giving out fruits, it's kind of a such an amazing feeling that like even the tiny seeds can do that much of work. It's kind of surprising. Watching this video, please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android, and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire, or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.